are birds everywhere. Everywhere that I go, there they are. Because they are birds in heaven. There are birds everywhere. I can't sleep, or I can't talk to anybody without seeing a bird flying through my window. There are birds in heaven, and when you get there, there is no coming back. Now we are here, watching birds in heaven, sailing away through the sky, watching birds flying through the sky. The birds are flying everywhere. Flying is their thing, and there are birds in heaven. And when you get there, you are never coming back, because there are birds in heaven.